you. Well, not everybody has his own potential. And let me tell you, wherever the guy where I beg him no soon donate your day. Well, after hey, President, I'm gonna continue to talk now. When I'm watching the talk, as far as America my as far as Monica, I'm my book, Beledoni. Now, at this correcting of Yesu, okay, because his son also has a way. Me, I want to know if it is that Benin kingdom. Ni my wife right from time. Now. Anyway, we all knows that our Erima Highway is a swagalicious Oba. Somebody who knows what's up, who knows what time is, who stays in overseas for many years. So he should know the right thing to do. Man, my God told at all. My why he who laugh last, laugh best. Not those who have the higher voice that win the race or win the case. You can't be a program. Why not talking nonsense? Now let me go back to the issue. Have never been a part of saga. Once you call me, I will answer you. Ekita, okay, but you want to call up Bubi, no one, or what yeki, no yeki, no one, no uni, no soon. Hey, boy, day. My question is that how am I the one that tell the presenters not to go and answer case in Benin? My points remain unchangeable. I was on my house watching them here on this saga. I did not involve in this saga from the beginning. It was Solomon who brought me to the saga. And I insulted him to where I can be able to insult him to. And I told Shine to enter house. This is my... Go and watch that program. I never discussed about the palace issue. Ed Murphy came out. Gladys came and said, one chief call her. Tell her, say, they invited for palace. I didn't say anything to Gladys issues because we don't communicate. Ed Murphy say it too. You understand? I heard it from somebody who was close to Lolo too. People continue testing me. Epa, is it true? Epa, is it true? Epa, is it true? I said, look, hold on. Melu, he ever go unu. If right from the beginning, I will if you in my write-up to my very good friend, I've forgotten his name. He just told me to stay clear for the matter that I'm big about this one, you know. Or nobody you want to it means you don't even know me much. Anyway, no problem. I don't want to, I will not reply anybody. But I have right to read message later. Let me tell you how the matter goes, you understand? So, what do? I press out my tentacles. One stupid guy here, John, Ibisubu, where TMI, honest one, with the Facebook. He know not soon when he shock you. He go shock you, but he not shock me. He not shock me because I can't me deji. I be here more. I me deji. I have a bon. Understand? Oh, time holy. I have you and I trusted. Now trusted. A shrine or a bow or I was or anything at all. Oh, look, I have him and I trust him. No one. I'm not part of that school, but I have read history. I have had history. Okay, they misbehave their positions, and they will be strike. Immediately they will be strike. It might not be today, just as it takes slows to receive wonders in your prayers. So also the gods works in their own time. They don't work with our time. The Bible says 1,000 years in our eyes is just like a day in God's eyes. So what there? Yeah, we be out to me. Let me go back to the story. So look, let me find out. Why where every announcement that is released out in the palace all the time, I send it out on my page. Okay? I send it out on my page. Why are you the one bringing it out? The ordinary Oba Sunday Igwe Festival, which is to Edo people in the diaspora, Christmas, which is New Year, which is informations. It was a lie. Go back to my page and watch it. When I received this information on the first, but this one is contradicting to the invitation given to Mama Gladys and Eddie Murphy and the rest. I don't want kudos from anybody because I will belong to the other side making I make kudos. I might be wise so then I not check the list very well again. My sister already laughing here. No time you over in your way laughing here. You can't explain it. If anybody told me where the person of career in charge of the palace communications or the raw that he has went to go and pursue his law program. You know where the letter came to me on the first. Me and Ivie, we spoke. I saw the letter. It's signed by Frank Irabor, which is a secretary in the whole palace activities. Nobody passed through him. Without him, nothing goes to the palace officially. What other way say officially? So I received the letter. He now died. 3 days later again, the letter was said for public. You know, invited all the Enogis in the doors and the public dance. Now they go that this thing would last for 11 days. I calculated the day that letter started was on the 4th of May. May, Wakaba, 7 days from the 4th of May. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 days ended up today. So, and I know I have said this thing in my write-up too. All of you that are young folks here, do you know what caused the British invasion? That is the Benin invasion, which the British claimed to be the Benin massacre in 1897. Why the story here? I know that where Obaseki family. Do you know what your great grandfather did to the Edo Kingdom? When I read betrayers, but the sin of a father cannot be treated or used to treat his own grandchildren. That was the pardon we give to Obaseki. I don't judge people with their father's name. I don't judge people with their family's background. I don't judge people with what people say about them to me. I judge people with my personal investigation. I investigate them and find out the quality they have. I compare Iseyamu to Obaseki. I supported Obaseki, and I have no regret. I have no single regrets about that. I'm out to all of you. Okay, so let me go back to the matter. Go and read the history of Idaken. Go and read the story. I make research. I search my history. That is where I got to know where Isoluku came from. How the Ishans went. How that name become Esan. Another way, Esan of Salah. I'll give you the story one day. If I could educate Nigerians on meaningful issues, they are bringing this nonsense here. About the Buwedo, you might say where. Then, this was what was going on. After this man has made the trade agreement with the British on his own, Obavorame told Obaseki to always refer to the palace before making any agreement with the British or further new arrangement. He was doing it on and making himself to be enriching himself. Any Ocean and Jonah we had Obaseki later before because if you watch till tomorrow, I want to have Bebe Gusayan, not Bebe Gusana, not or soon the election of Buddha because we want our Edo to move forward. Now I am a do you be an ori mago. I'm your baby, no do doji. I have to Obaseki. Let's forget about that. So when Obaseki, shame on you. Don't use that language again. That I say I know I governor. Mamili Way has a good record. Ole Pedro MT has a responsible person in that family because he's very intelligent. Let's go ahead. So what happened? When the British Captain Philip, was leading a group to come and meet Edo Oba Ovorame. Yeah, they didn't see not support him anywhere. No letter was fixed. No case was fixed in the palace officially on the things. And I remain on it. I stand on it. They cannot fix a date in the palace for a case and postpone it without communications. One, hold on. That's my point. I never said they didn't call them in any case. So why you attend what I mean? Left and right, why you going? People are rolling from left to right because you're there. Ododo. Bullshit. You understand? So, my sister Lovey, come out. If you don't want to listen, not give me advice. Just listen to me, okay? I know say they get problem, but they are involving me every day. How can I remove my hand and say that I cannot go palace? You understand me? So, what I'm saying is still clear. What happened about the war? Captain Philip was advancing to Benin. They now had about Benin, over me had the story. And I was on a gear. Who is this man who? Oloboshere and two other people. I've forgotten the name now. Why you replace? Give me the name, please. Those who are old here, who know the story. You understand? They have to go and meet the white people. Say, look, at this time, Edo Kingdom has stopped Urobos, Shekiri, Kurukurus, all those people that was under the Benin sovereignty, not to do business again with the British because they found Obaseki wanting of the agreement he made with the British. You understand? So the British want to come to ask what is going on. They said they want to come and meet Obavorame. He sent them to go and tell them. So what happened is very clear. Because people hide under the truth and be saying lies. You understand? So he now went. They went there and made the preaching. They said, look, we'll prepare a place for you at Ugoton to stay. The Obas cannot receive any visitors during Igwe festival. Go find your story and your history. No other activities take place when Oba Benin is doing any festival in the palace. This is not to say what they said is a lie. This is not to say don't go to answer who called you. This is not to say it is Auma. This is not to say it's fake. I've given a lot. Who is this person put this thing? Please let me find out who is putting this. When I tell the person name, tell me the person name and block immediately. Because you know they listen to anything. You are mumu. So when they were telling him they prepare a place for this three white men that came with the slaves they brought along, one of the stupid bastards there, one of the chief, not Philip. Philip wrote the story later. I forgot the captain's name, the police name. He said, "What? How can the Majesty send a message to Obarame?" He will say, "What a nonsense!" What did you say? You use your dirty mouth to talk about Oba. He threw out Umozo. We call it Umozo in Benin. Umozo. What about Gao? What bigger? That is what leads to the Benin invasion, the British invasion to Benin in 1897. Go and mark it. If the palace can reject a visitation from Her Majesty, who the whole Nigeria was under, we were under the British protectorate. Sorry, let me know because I'm a stammerer from birth. I try to minimize it, you understand? So, please do not call me. I said it before. Do not call me. I don't pick calls, you understand? So, that was all happened. I'm giving you now my reason, my point, why I said that invitation cannot be official in Benin. Because the secretary for the palace cannot write a letter that there will be a festival on the 4th that will end on the 11th and will also welcome a Kesinikia. Kesibieka, I do answer a festival that will last for 7 days. That was my reason. It was not in any way to disrespect anybody, or it is not in any way to disrespect the palace. And I spoke to Dorichi too. He explained that it must not mean that it's only one channel they follow. I said, okay. I never argued the matter. Why bringing me? Why don't you say the local palace? Why don't you local palace? Why don't you who is this? Let me find out this person. Let me find out this person. Hold on. You are okay, my brother. Please, can somebody tell me who is putting that ugly face? So because I'm using I'm not using my tablet, so that I don't even know the person. The useless person. Mumu Ogbe. You put a clap hand for them and they do nonsense for those states. Now say anything that better thing to be. So let's go back to the issue again. That is my point. I'm the only presenter that does not read my role. Mary my role. What I said, I stand by it. So anything why we beg me, even if I repeat it in the presence of Omo, anybody, I never said they shouldn't go to the palace. I never said they should disgrace or disrespect anybody. They have already made up their mind. And the movie said it in the program before I came out. So it is not me. I'm not going to Nigeria. I'm not in Nigeria. So, everywhere go one. He called me a dwarf. He called me that I use my mouth to chop stufffish when my disturbing the dashboard. When I say the dashboard is store. You understand? He said a lot of stupid things about me. Monica Royeme. So how am I one-sided? I'm the only man that told me what I said about the letter, I stand on it. I have a letter there in my word. Check it yourself. So, do hamwa, he might by anybody. I see many presenters now going to one side because I don't never do. Let me tell you one thing. Nobody has monopoly to juju. Nobody has monopoly to juju. Anybody can go there and react. And react. And react. This man. They confess. Okay. Good. I've seen it. So, what am I trying to say? You continue calling person old man, and you are for something years of age. You understand me? For the certain years of age, is it a baby? It's not a baby. What will happen when me met my old man? Woman, me met my old man. Me met okolo my yard. Illustration lohuwa. You don't know that age is number. Most of you that call me old man, I look more younger than you. I look more swagalicious than you. I look more current than you. I look more in digital era. You people are still living in analog. Because I was when why are you by the left side? How about you don't have to go near? Not a referee. You are no longer a referee again now. You stand with a I have told you, I have no case with Eruwala. I have never mentioned his name to this place one single day. In Atebone or whatever. Go and watch all my program. Am I need you by music? Wamaro Wiya. Menolita where this is the evidence I show. Why not you tell no sense because we feel where me ebo can tag me say poor. It's a lie. What I stand with what I said. Official permission for that date on the 10th was not granted in the palace, was not in the palace. I said so, I repeat it. Because there was a festival taking place on the 4th to the 11th. That's my reason. I never want to bring this letter, that's why I brought that letter. I said, why any place where the big woman, answer. They even now on no letter me. Email no letter me. Even now, or not time, they do the possible now, Guezo, I will festival in palace. That's all. Now when I Guezo name. Now when I may bob anybody, but what I know is that nobody has monopoly of juju. So anybody know where Areti about Guinea in a wrongful way can have right to go and carry any other juju. Or look on the Rigbere, Uronikbe, Baba, or look according to now, Major. But if you judge me wrongly, if I see you physically, I will deal with you physically. That's me. You are where women's strong spirit. You are winning on my own. I will lay a course of you in the 90 years. You are gone. It takes you 14. Why 10 years? You are the one to go. If you know you are too bold to be a man or a woman, bring out your real picture or this thing. But all you fake a name like Javani, everything you are affected with me and later, but you take more time. Call navigator here. Or navigator here. So let's go back to the story. So I never told anybody. So Ebony Aweti Dame Ebony Anti. Here one of Bedia anyhow. No Riania Doa anyhow. No Tevita against the door anyhow. No Gio no movie at the Botauda or on you see there. Got him another. And that's a body yo. But in a last one year, me at a body now. Any matter, go and check it. Up to the pictures in their Facebook. My name is not there. You people are just being jealous of me because I'm more than you people's level. That's the reason. My brother and sister, why agree? It's a way I don't tell me by created Midwestern region. How the Nigeria started. how we ended up with this shit in Nigeria now today. That who will not bear the cat was supposed to be my title. And I'm still living now. So that is what happened. Okay, so wait a minute. Anybody know about your body in the wrong way can go to the wrong way and do his own too. Ebony say you can do it on your own. That's your own business. I'm not after them. I fought Monkey Face. Why I am now? Go and check my story. And the person who fought it with us. All of us gathered how to why ye quarter like me a quarter the Jemia. Okay, why? All of you that is not saying why would we paint without disrespect traditional rulers? But let me tell you what the cat was anywhere. My chief yani now make custody of power in traditionality now. All they fair. All they fair. What happened between Isegure and the palace? Everyone was here. Etamo Oburu. Huh? Arati Ogyobabi. Amwebo Bear. Amusago Bear. Atiogunea. Otameno. I'm not against anybody that does anything. I'm not in any side, but I'm only telling you, Yahweh Bear Yabo Yenedu. Elimetawe Ave Edimofi. Ave Lolo. Gladys and Co. Wadike ni Lord Honoro. Because he makes like a wife every time. Guamanati. The Bahari over the Yamebo Bemunica. Anyway, it means what I'm going to because I also know that I wouldn't have to bow. Maybe it's to me to go. Nobody has monopoly of Juju. Ebo. Oma Rukba. Even if Bunigebo, I am Gumeduni. I am a son of Meduni. I am a local Meduni. Okay. I did not tell boy human trafficking they do. But what better than Guayate boy? What better than a Guayate boy? I love your Latin. Egway has a lot of things to do with that place there. I your Latin. What may you know? What am I? And oh my come no give more, but I will pay your rent. I'm away a John, a Peter, a Paul, a do you for Adesuwa, Osun, or I'm not suing anybody. I never see about CDA in a that is a fair play. And that's what talk with. That is what investigation is going on. Somebody was replying me that every place in Nigeria, there are so many places not here. So my brother, the same persons, the same people, all I have all the videos with me. That man of black skin slave, the Kwek Poloni, was in awe. Or we are also on the streets. Off where I'm not interested, but I'm only telling you where different people to body. This one set of people are no, or this is me only. And everyone have rights to clean his name from the mud. But every cleaning of name denying a statement has rules and regulations of denying it. Denying bad names on the social media has rules and regulations of denying it. This is my point. And please, anybody know if you don't know, you give it to the matter, I will report you. I didn't give you permission to carry this video because I have my own page. Okay? So if you want, you say exactly what I say. Don't give a different title. Okay? You understand me? I have my you post saw it there. You post saw it there. No peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. I take women. You can't beat a child and say, make him no cry, he must cry. Let's see. He who laugh last, laugh best. So my people, when they listen to me, I don't say, but if you say that this is a story that they talk since now, I don't get these viewers. God, now total phone, people want me to hear. Now they read for ball, but me, I know they use my own thing to get viewer. I they say the part. So anybody, now go back to Abat. What going in Abat? No someone boy. Okay, because Abat will have school. Una ye school kakabo. Very who concept Abaseke. Why are you not Abaseke in an 11 degree? There must be a place for you. Why are you not working in the government house? Why are you not working in any establishment in Benin? Or because you don't have a qualified certificate to do that. Abaseke will not give you a job when you are not qualified. Or yeah, play on no certificate. A Trump, he gave work to even in-laws and children who were qualified for the job. So how about, don't start telling me nonsense. Why you only like blogging and like the presentation of Tony Fefe? You are a jealous man. You have a greedy mind. Also, not everybody not here. Diaspora presenters say audio. Sorry, audio. Abat. Oga even abo nuya gagoni. Miri go na real Latin. Irukele yagai. Everybody in the diaspora. Or amari go la dem mena bawe, meni tuna bawe. Or manitari na bawe. Oh manu Abat. Erio Abat. Erio. Imoto no gwa o agwa gbegbe. Imoto no gwa o agwa gbegbe. But you come out to confess and apologize for those who ate their money. Because I keep all the videos with me. Anytime I come to Benin, I must write a petition against you. I must write a petition against you. And those people who claim those things, who receive those money, have evidence that you send them those monies through one thing or the other. Whether you go, you go, Yabowa. One I win another. What for the Tole here? Abanato, Bobai, Ute, walk back here to Ukieka, Ukiona. I wire by. Oh, Havala, Osakoro Godi. Una wa lele uto no bewa. Na akwa yo na akya. O kana pa ka the only person maybe will qualify. Basically la God kwa even at Ohani. He's very intelligent. Very intelligent. You better go do kini sese na Obadona. U be go the referee ne. Wo ye yo. Una gia. Eh, anyone is winning yo. Anyone is winning yo. Ah, I don't feel babao. Social media president. Umwe tato ni afe. We can on the window. Abayana take against her, and then you are doing worse. Cracking balls. All this when they Europe when not they were illiterate when they Europe. Who are you calling illiterate? Nyamiri shogri. Atinkule. C'est un broyone. When I tell un broyone, okay. Un broyone. Mogolo. Mogolo. When I pronounce one single word in English language for 3 minutes, and you say you are a graduate, and you have no job doing in Benin City, working in Oto, working back in Oto. All of you now that supported Obaseki, who are you to do? Why are you to do? I was here working when I was supporting Obaseki. I created a channel with my sweat and money. I come out here regularly when I'm free from work to support Obaseki, free of charge. In when I give you Obaseki supporter, tomorrow, guy. It's one, Zali. So I'm leaving now. But he might finish with your about. He told me, I can say, where are you? What Dave I war now. Who go in a bin what am I? Yes, why? I'm not what he made Latin. I'm not going to tell me when I palace Latin. Immediately I found out, I said it, I bring it out the proof. Was it not enough for you guys? What the fuck you need from me anymore again? Why am I telling anybody if you're not telling me that? But I'm coming back from you. Coming back to you again. You didn't win now. You have a winner. Major one. No go. What am I thinking? Not there. That's what the situation people are living in that city there. And when I watch all my program, it's about the Nigerian situation and the situation. I have never do saga by anybody one single day. It's the only thing I defend people who they saga. These are the most European saga. Okay, attack. So I've never come out here one day to carry anybody to say we are saga. I don't have time for that. So people should not put me in your mess. In your mess. Don't put me in your mess. He proposed 30 minutes to go to Nigeria by December. He has money anytime, any day. I go with the letters. The reason go to the area. He went here officially, known as officially, and I remain the same. I remain tomorrow, the same, today, next tomorrow, forevermore. I don't change what I say. I remain Nehi Saka Deka. Yeah, Rimaro. Abati yo or ye. I'm your dodo. The tema. Yeah, lay. The tema. Yeah, me to the we. Otemele. I'm here with it. Yeah, they go because Maka laugh from the beginning. Too allow lately. So can you read it by your choice? You understand it? So here go. I watch you just briefly, just a year about. That way, a while. Right from the beginning, because anybody in that to hang on. Anyway, you know, why man when the fuck open one again. Anyone when lose guard, you go blow the pussy. Strip us ABCD. Every day. Get another. Any woman, any woman. Any people was when you're go. Nonsense. So that's their business. Imagine they are doing the right thing, have not done it. But what I'm saying is that even right they are going to people's personal affairs. Emi Guanyi was a letter. In which I proved my case. Second thing, Guanyi was to tell the management to enter house. When I was told we used some Western matter of okay, no give the Murphy. I came out and apologized. Even the settle here by the guy that he only go down very after when you know turn it back immediately. Now why go down? It was a mistake. He never apologized to you while I was. Thank you very much, man. Like he book baby a Facebook. If you don't read me other phones here, go and watch my interview in Najawo. You know all these men are saying now. They are in the same folds. Yale party and Rebel, the whole Schengen nation. They are there. Some people are locking away near my info for now. No, you can't be a wash. So if you had to allow Agui, maybe you have to if I about her because I'm pissed off with Abat. And I'm here for you now. Ori wonuwe mulakadero. Ori wonu mulakadero. Runda ma ilo but we continue the issue. Unaso amo. Unaso amo. Waniguana, most of you have not even seen Baba himself physically. I was opportune. Go and check my wall. I took picture with him when he was ambassador in Italy here. When we were going to visit the leaders of those in Italy. He is state leader, I'm a national leader. I served as a PRO for a donations in Italy for 6 good years. Well, I think I feel Lazarus, but I'm more than you over here. When we pay a coffee visit to with Prince, that was called Prince Henry. Okay, he was an ambassador to Italy. We visited him. He called us on his way, not to come to the embassy, to come to his residential house. We went there. He cooked for us. We ate and drank and gave us pocket money for transport. At least it's about 500 euros. What I'm saying is, no, find out. I know who he is, very intelligent man. He knows Maguire for more than 2-3 hours before he can answer everybody. He never forgot the first statement we made. I tell you, on the go where I think go for go. Or we a time where he vient on 2 years now. You time where do my yakin. I mean, actually, the former community where he sleep for all the Benis. Or when no, Oba Nya, Yasesa, Oba control ya, he get to my yakin. You always tell a video, the Dareka to her, and Boano. No, away, Echo News. Echo News. He was the one that told him, well, look, do not say bodyguard is trouble a room or whatever. That all society in Benin or buy a dollar. So funny, I go buy dollar doji. Or Ilalano, or anybody know, Azeko Soke. I'm quoting him now. That's what he told us. We visited him. We stayed 5 hours in his house. As we were leaving, he said he must take picture with us. Check my wall. While I check a wall, man, I was on suit with Circumfort in Rome. We were almost about 26 leaders in Italy that went to visit him. In my area, or women are my book about finally. So I've never disrespected the palace one single day. I've always worked with the palace in the right way. So why do you have anybody? You people are dummy. I said this a couple of times. Mumu, why are most of you remaro. I'm coming back to those who remaro later. You win now. Yare off. The day Friday or Saturday, I will have a full time to finish everybody once and for all year. So when the tata or no we had a begume, you ready to answer Benny. Every time I if you with you, he been no go and cabin no go. Yeah, I like the left side now. I like the left side. Yeah, me do. Yeah, I like the left side. And once again, nobody has monopoly of juju. Everybody can swear. In as far as you have the money to pay for the service. Okay, where?